Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our Highway 11 trip, beginning in the city of Sweetwater, Tennessee, the largest city by population in Monroe County, although parts of the city spill over into McMinn County. We're just into the city limits here, and the speed limit is dropping fast. In 2022, Travel Mag named Sweetwater one of Tennessee's 10 most charming cities, and we'll see why once we get into the old downtown area of town. One of the first things we see as we start to get into the populated area of town is a Walmart Supercenter, which opened on September 11, 2013, and added 200 new jobs to the Sweetwater area. We stopped here to pick up a few forgotten items that we needed for the trip. Sweetwater, a town established in the 1850s, was built on parcels of land sold by Isaac Lenoir, a local politician. It officially became a city in 1875. The town is situated next to Sweetwater Creek, which flows northeast for several miles before joining Wattsboro Lake, part of the Tennessee River. This creek has shaped the Sweetwater Valley, a low-lying area surrounded by gentle hills and farmland. Sweetwater's main area is centered along US 11, primarily between its intersection with State Route 68 in the south and State Route 322 in the north. To the west, Interstate 75 runs along the city's boundary. According to the 2020 census, the city had a population of 6,312 residents spread across a 6.9 square mile area. As of 1989, agriculture played a significant role in the local economy, and there were also some light industrial operations like a chemical factory, a hosiery mill, and a stove plant. In this photograph from around 1910, you can see some of the employees of the Sweetwater Hosiery Company. Notably, many of them appear to be quite young, possibly no older than 15 years old. Here we drive down Sweetwater's Main Street. From their visitor's info brochure, Sweetwater Main Street boasts the sweetest street in Tennessee with a wide variety of local eateries and unique shopping venues. Sweetwater boasts dozens of small, independently owned businesses, sure to provide a unique shopping experience. From the latest in women's fashions in all sizes and styles, local art and handmade jewelry, and antiques and collectibles, our charming shops offer plenty of eclectic gifts in beautiful spaces with an abundance of southern hospitality. There is no place better suited for a shopping trip than historic downtown Sweetwater. Sweetwater is home to several festivals, including the Blooms Bluegrass and Barbecue Festival, held the first full weekend in May, and Small Town Christmas, held the Saturday after Thanksgiving, where the merchants of downtown come together to celebrate with treats, kids' activities, a children's gift shop, and photos with Santa and other favorite characters. We enter Loudoun County in the city of Philadelphia. Philadelphia had its beginnings in the early 1820s when William Knox and Jacob Pearson founded the town. In its early years, Philadelphia experienced rapid growth and became a thriving business hub in the Sweetwater Valley. By the mid-19th century, the town boasted 2 general stores, a tanning yard, a still house, and a hotel. During the 20th century, the most prominent and successful industry in Philadelphia was the Philadelphia Hosiery Mill, which was established by Edward Waller in 1921. For over 4 decades, the company expanded and prospered. However, in the early 1960s, the mill changed ownership and reopened as Bar Knit Hosiery, only to close its doors in the early 1970s. As of the 2020 census, Philadelphia had a population of 607, nearly double what it was in 1880, reflecting the town's growth and changes over the years. We conclude today's video at mile 86. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 or more a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.